Did you know in the US we dump pesticides on our yards at a rate higher than industrial farms?
Yeah, 5 times higher. That's crazy.
So we decided to change it.
I'm Coulter.
And I'm Trent, and we created Sunday.
We think of yards as another room in your house where you make memories, join your neighbors, live your life, just without a roof. We wanted to find a better way to grow yards. Keep the green stuff without the toxic stuff.
So we reached out to the leading expert on turf grass and lawns.
I've been studying this thing for 30 years. Nobody gave it for 30 years.
Frank had ideas about growing thick, juicy lawns without crop dusting your yard. With his help, Sunday was born.
Okay, Sunday, so like the day of the week?
Yeah, like the day of the week. Sunday's the one day we can forget about your obligations and get outside. Put your hands in the dirt, slow down, and connect with the earth, your family, and your neighbors.
Getting back to our roots, if you will.
Oh my God.
Growing those American dream style yards, but doing it in a better, more sustainable way than ever before.
Okay, but what does Sunday actually do?
I'm glad you asked. Sunday sends the right stuff for your yard, right when you need it, right to your doorstep.
But how do you know what I need?
Well, we nerd out on your yard. We calculate a plan based on soil tests, climate data, and aerial imagery of your home.
Our custom lawn plans are personalized for your yard, backed by science, super effective and incredibly easy to use.
Seriously, you just attach a hose and spray.
So we're here to help you take back your yard.
Take it back from toxic chemicals.
Take it back from guesswork.
Take it back from dudes in hazmat suits. So let's yard better.